Good morning to everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I get a new mobile. So as today on delivery time I was not here, so I could not make a clip of that. And today I'm gonna make a unboxing video of my new mobile. Let's go for my new mobile. So they have delivered me like this as the DPD company, and I'm gonna rebuild this now. Let's go for it. And mobile is almost here, and you can see the mobile phone, you can see the name here. And so it's my new Galaxy S24 Ultra. And now we'll look the mobile phone here. It's on the steel pack, so I'm gonna break this one and let's see how it looks like. Let's go for it. So now the time to look the mobile phone, but so I'll put that back here and I'll put these two back here. And now time to set the mobile phone, and it's my new branded Samsung Galaxy S24. So let's look for this. Yeah, it's too cool. So it like this here with a full camera, and I just here to yes, I video and remove of the mobile here. Okay, some people, some studio here. So it's one year, I think. So it's fine. That's what that's great. And I am really happy to get my S24 Ultra. So I'll post the videos, I'll post the image or photos that I'll take it to outdoors. So in this video, so let's enjoy new mobile phone. I'll be back with some video clips and photos from the S24 Ultra. Stay tuned for that. So we have things. That's it. I'm waiting for my Galaxy S6. So I haven't got Samsung Galaxy S6 till now. I'll wait for that to upload my video. I think they'll send it in 1 week because my delivery time was February 19. Hopefully they will send the watch shortly. And let's enjoy new mobile phone till I get a watch. So let's go for that. It's showing here as Galaxy. Let's see the first interface of mobile. What do you think with this? How are you taking this? So now it's asking for the language. Start. Let's do it smooth. I'm transferring my all data from my iPhone to the Galaxy. So let's go now. So I got the delivery of my watch as well today, and today I'm gonna unbox the watch as well. So, and this video is from a new phone. Let's go for it. So it's my new Galaxy watch, and I'm gonna look for the bands as well. I think it's in here. Yep, I got this, and let's try on my hand now. And with this I got charger here, wireless charger, and something is here as well. I'll just show this one as well. I'll just try this to take out. Just a second. It's some manual and warranty card, and yeah, manual and warranty card. So I've got here. I'll just own this one and I'll show how it looks like on my hand. I'm just setting up my new watch, so it's downloading the software. Let's look for some time. That's the front camera.